So let's assume that these two triangles are similar. And based on that, we want to figure out what E is going to be equal to. And we have to be careful using E as an unknown, because some of you will learn that E, like pi, can represent a very special number in mathematics. So typically when you see a lowercase e like this, it represents that number. But for the sake of this video, let's just assume that it represents an unknown. Well, when you're dealing with similar triangles, the ratio of corresponding sides is going to be the same. So for example, if we take the medium side on both of these, the longest is this right over here. Some people might call that the hypotenuse. Some people might call, well, that's on the line, so you can kind of see the slope of the line there. But the medium side is this one. This is the second longest side. This one and this one. Those are the two that correspond to each other. Now, when you go from the smaller triangle to the larger one, when you go from 4 to 6, what are we doing? We are multiplying, and you want to think about multiplying. You want to think about ratios and division, not addition or subtraction. We're multiplying. To go from 4 to 6, you multiply by 1.5. So we could do the same thing on the shorter side, because E is the length of the shorter side on that larger triangle. So if you go from 3 to E, we also need to multiply by 1.5. 3 times 1.5 is equal to 4.5. And we are then done. Now there's other ways that we could have tackled this. We could have looked at the ratios within each of these triangles, say the ratio of the short side to the medium side. So we could have said that E over, I'll maintain the colors, E over 6 is equal to the short side here, which is 3, over the medium side here, which is 4. And a little bit of algebra right over here. If you multiply both sides by 6, you are going to get that E is equal to 3/4 of 6, which is the same thing as 0.75 times 6, or you could view that as 18 divided by 4, which is the same thing as 9 divided by 2, which is 4.5. And we get the exact same result.